Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you use Word, Excel, or PowerPoint every day, this deal is hard to ignore. Today, I'm reviewing Microsoft 365 Family, 1-year subscription on StackSocial, currently available at a solid discount. This plan is perfect for families, teams, or anyone who wants full Microsoft apps with cloud storage and built-in security. First, you get full desktop and mobile apps, not limited versions. Use Word, Excel, PowerPoint, and OneNote online or offline. Second, 6 TB total cloud storage. That's 1 TB per user, perfect for files, photos, and backups. Third, Microsoft Copilot AI helps with writing, data analysis, and productivity tasks inside Office apps. You also get Microsoft Defender for security, Outlook ad-free email, Clipchamp video editor, and real-time collaboration across devices. Each person can use the apps on up to 5 devices at the same time: PC, Mac, phone, or tablet. The regular price is $129 per year, but this deal drops it to $99, saving you 23%. When you split it between 6 people, it becomes extremely affordable, especially compared to buying separate subscriptions. Exclusive StackSocial coupon alert. Use code SOFTPARK20 checkout to save 20% instantly. If you want the complete Microsoft experience with AI tools, massive cloud storage, and multi-user access, Microsoft 365 Family is one of the best productivity subscriptions available right now. I'll leave the link in the description if you want to check out L. And don't forget to like the video, subscribe, and hit the bell for more software deals and tech reviews. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next